You're not reaming. And most important thing is, while putting the brooch in, it should go in vertically. You don't have to do like this. Like this. Don't change the direction once you're putting. And to know how strong it is, you can pull it and then just snugly rotate it. The entire limb should rotate. And don't attempt to do this till you have reaching close to the actual size you want. Don't do it every time. Otherwise, the canal size will be different. Once this goes off, then this is attached to this, this is attached to this. You can put this away and you have space. With that space, now you start reaming onto the head. And you use those moisturized grafts later on if you want to be more effective.